Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January 27th, 2021, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse. I wanted to we're going to kind of give like a little garden talk about what's growing right now and how the seedlings are maturing that we transplanted, and my onions are starting to come up, so I'm going to show you a little tour here real quick. So these here are some Corpus seedlings here, and these are really taking off. Look at this one back here since it's been transplanted. So I did like the little plugs and the Jiffy peat pellets, and then I transplanted them, and I have all of the seed starting videos and the transplanting videos on, so you can check those out. The Russian sage is starting to grow. You can see the Russian sage here. And this is the blue cloud salvia. Here's one here. This one was really struggling until I transplanted it, and it's starting to take off now. This one here is doing pretty nice for me. You can see it's starting to get like the different types of leaves and stuff for the true leaves. There's another one back here. I have some more Russian sage seedlings here. This one here is doing very well for me. My pansies are starting to get their true leaves. Dusty Miller over here. This did not get its silver leaves yet. So gray, silverish colored leaves. So we're still kind of waiting for that to catch up there. So these here are my flats of pansies here. And these got fed, the ones that have the true leaves got fed on Tuesday. No, they got fed on Monday. Sorry, they got fed on Monday. I forgot. You can see here, getting their true leaves. And I did get some of my Yarrow summer berry seedlings transplanted here. And I did not get to transplant the Eucalyptus baby blue yet. I've been wanting to get these transplanted. I just didn't get that far yet. So that video, I'm still waiting to do that one, so I can show you how to transplant these. And this is my flat of Yarrow I was working on getting transplanted. Didn't get it all quite done yet, but still working on it. You can see I have some strawberry plants here. This is the Alpine, Alexandria strawberry. Back there's the Tuscana. That one's not doing too good in here. I don't think that one likes it too much in here, but we're going to try it. And this one here is the Temptation strawberry. The Tresca strawberries back there. I have a video that I did for this one. We finally got to taste test it, and it's really good. So we're going to be keeping that one. Alpine Alexandria is back there. Another, I believe this one here is a Temptation. I'm not sure where the tag is at on this one here. But you can see here my parsley's growing. We're still harvesting parsley off of this. I made this here into a greenhouse one because we use a lot of parsley. So this one grows all the time in the greenhouse. It's put in here, I don't think it was last year. I think it was like the year before. So we have some more little seedlings here. Bunny tails are back there. I have a fuchsia here blooming. This is mauve here. And here's some more fuchsia blooms. This is mauve. And that's another fuchsia there. I don't know the name of that variety. And you can kind of see here, this is the gay feather here, which is also known as Laritus and Blazing Star. I have videos on my channel for this one here. And my status is growing. I am going to start more white status. I use a lot of the white. I seem to run out of that pretty quick. Some straw flowers. Winged everlastings. I got to transplant these out of this flat. And these here are the chrysanthemum golden ball here. And I have some pansy, some more straw flowers, and have some more status. And you can see here my onions are starting to germinate. And I have a lot more onions to plant. I have other stuff germinating on the floor here. If you're new to my channel, the floor is heated, so that's what I use to germinate my seeds on instead of a heat mat. And I have a bunch more stuff in there. So here's a eucalyptus tree here. We kind of have the door open some to let some of the moisture escape out and let some fresh air in, because your plants need carbon dioxide, and it's just good to get some fresh air in here and get like an air exchange a little bit. But I have some lemongrass here still growing, and I have my rosemary here still growing, and I have a zonal geranium here blooming. So you can see my eucalyptus tree here put a branch off down at the bottom, and is growing a brand new thing out. I'm probably going to have to top this one because it's getting so big, and it's going to outgrow the height of the greenhouse. So I'm probably going to have to just top this one, and it's going to regrow all back out and give me a lot more branches. This one here is the silver drop here. So I hope you enjoyed the mini tour. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell us to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!